Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. We are here at SNEC 2024, the largest solar show that is being held here at Shanghai. We are at the booth of Sunman, a very innovative company that is doing low weight and flexible PV. And here we are going to learn more details about their latest product that they are promoting here at the show.
Hi, my name is Dennis Shi, and I'm the president of Sunman Energy. Today I'd like to introduce you to our 520 watt crystalline silicon lightweight solar module. So this is based on 182 mm PERC cells, 144 half-cut cell layout, 2 millimeters thick. But this is a new version of our product that comes with a back frame. The back frame is made of a fiber reinforced composite, and basically the panel is 4.1 kilos per square meter. But unlike our frameless module, which is usually glued to a variety of roof substrates, this one can be mounted with conventional mounting hardware on this kind of a standing seam application.
And is it available commercially? Can we order it now?
Yes, we already installed many projects with this product this year. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.